What's up, everybody? This is Brandon from Sparksmith, helping you see and be seen. You're not ready for this, and you asked, and I finally found something worthy of the Sparksmith name that is for the GMC Sierra. Check it out. Okay, we got these out of the box. Just thought I'd show you. Now, this is the first sample set. I am planning on buying some of these with a clear reflector instead of the amber, but you can see they have a real similar look and feel to the full LED headlights that we have for the cat eyes. It's because it comes from the same manufacturer. So you get the same great quality, the gloss black interiors. You get some really nice adjusters, this heavy duty ABS bracket. There's nothing flimsy about this stuff. And of course, plug and play wiring. Then the story continues the same on the lower housings. Look at that. You've got the same plug and play wiring. You've got it for your DRL and your turn signal. You've got the extra plug here for the resistor that comes with it and plugs right in. And you've got, of course, your marker light right here. Now, one difference I should note between these and the cat eye version is these have the running light and parking light and all that kind of stuff and turn signal only in the lower housing. There is no, it's just low beam and high beam in the upper, which is kind of nice because it just simplifies the whole setup and makes it, you know, that much less to go wrong. Let's fire these up and see what she do. There we go. Okay, that's your DRL. So the white's going to be on anytime your daytime running light is on. That's in the factory. That's the factory little white light that's right here. Anytime that's on, these white ones will come on. Or anytime that outer one is on with like your parking lights or headlights, these white blocks will come on. And then your turn signal, oh, that's fun. The turn signal is white. So it's got a white turn signal. Something tells me there will also be a version with an amber turn signal. I don't know that to be 100% true. Now this is the marker light. Okay, and you just get that little marker light on the side. That's for that factory marker light position. And then, of course, the all-important low beam and high beam. Now, if I ground the low beam and then power the low beam, you get that guy right there. And we're going to turn this around, and you can see, obviously, it's really close, so it's concentrated, but it is that nice, crisp cutoff, really nice white light, and you get the all-important hot spot. I've talked about this in some other videos, but this part right here, it's called the hot spot. And what that means is the brighter it is, the more light it's going to push further down the road. So you want it to be kind of bright on the bottom, but then really bright in the center. So what that means is that on the road, you're going to get a more even distribution of light, both in this lower area, which is the foreground, closer to the vehicle, and up at this hot spot, it's going to be further down the road. So you can get good long-range visibility and get some good near-field visibility, all without blinding oncoming traffic. If we fire up the high beam, so it's already built into the headlight that it keeps the low beam on when you turn the high beam on. You can see you get that extra bit of power up at the top, which will push even more light further down the road. There you go. Nice and bright. I, for one, very much like these. I think they're going to be a great addition to the Sparksmith.com website. You can look for these coming soon. Anyways, there you have it. What are these? 99 to 06 GMC Sierra full LED headlights.